Welcome to Heavy Vehicle Quiz, Part 3. Questions 101 to 150. Listen carefully and choose the correct answer. Question 101. Driving through a road with parked cars on the sides, look out for Option A, other vehicles following you very closely. Option B, drivers seating on their cars. Option C, pedestrians crossing from between parked cars. The correct answer is C, pedestrians crossing from between parked cars. Question 102. When making a left turn with a heavy vehicle, it is important to Option A, allow space for the cut-in of the front end. Option B, allow space for the cut-in of the rear end. Option C, allow space for the middle track. The correct answer is B, allow space for the cut-in of the rear end. Question 103. If your heavy vehicle is not equipped with power steering, you, Option A, will need to start turning early. Option B, will need to turn a little late. Option C, will need to steer more aggressively. The correct answer is A, will need to start turning early. Question 104. What is the advantage of reversing slowly? Option A. You can easily make corrections in steering errors. Option B. You are able to make adjustments in the speed. Option C. You are able to complete the reverse faster. The correct answer is A. You can easily make corrections in steering errors. Question 105. When driving a heavy vehicle, the cars on the are to see in the mirrors. Option A, right, easier. Option B, left, difficult. Option C, right, difficult. The correct answer is C, right, difficult. Question 106. Why is important to drive with courtesy? Option A. The road is always busy with traffic. Option B. It is important especially when stopping. Option C. The road is there for all road users. The correct answer is C. The road is there for all road users. Question 107. One way to remain calm and focused on the road while driving is Option A, maintain positive attitude. Option B, maintain sufficient following distance. Option C, always travel early and avoid traffic. The correct answer is A, maintain positive attitude. Question 108. One way to avoid being a victim of another driver's anger easily is Option A, driving independently at all times. Option B, acknowledging when you made a mistake. Option C, pointing out clearly when other drivers make mistakes. The correct answer is B, acknowledging when you made a mistake. Question 109. If your vehicle breaks down, why should you use reflective triangle? Option A. To avoid being fined for obstruction. Option B. To avoid becoming a danger to traffic. Option C. To avoid congesting traffic. The correct answer is B. To avoid becoming a danger to traffic. Question 110. Why is it important for heavy vehicles to reduce speed before coming to a bend? Option A. Because heavy vehicles have higher center of gravity. Option B. Because heavy vehicles have lighter center of gravity. Option C. Because heavy vehicles have lower center of gravity. The correct answer is A. Because heavy vehicles have higher center of gravity. Question 111. Name two of many ways to reduce driving risk. Option A. Choose to drive slower, always stay behind other vehicles. Option B. Scan for hazards, travel at same speed always. Option C. Choose to drive slower, increase following distance. The correct answer is C. Choose to drive slower, increase following distance. Question 112. Tires losing grip on the road, skidding, is primarily caused by, Option A, the vehicle, depending on the condition of the road. Option B, the driver, regardless of the road condition. Option C, the driver, depending on the condition of the road. The correct answer is B, the driver, regardless of the road condition. Question 113. When braking and the vehicle skids, why is it important to stop braking? Option A. This helps restore traction. Option B. This helps restore direction. Option C. This helps restore steering. The correct answer is A. This helps restore traction. Question 114. When performing emergency steering, it is important to, Option A, maintain the same speed while turning. Option B, avoid turning steering with both hands. Option C, avoid braking while turning the steering. The correct answer is C, avoid braking while turning the steering. Question 115. The three very dangerous vehicle emergencies are, Option A, brake failure, fires, steering failure. Option B, tire failure, brake failure, fires. Option C, tire failure, brake failure, sleepiness. The correct answer is B, tire failure, brake failure, fires. Question 116. The three major causes of heavy vehicle fires are, Option A, damaged electrical system, underinflated tires, excessive braking. Option B, exhaust system not properly insulated, tires properly inflated, crashes. Option C, spilled fuel due to crash, wheel bearing unlubricated, steering malfunction. The correct answer is A, damaged electrical system, underinflated tires, excessive braking. Question 117. When fighting heavy vehicles fire, 3 very important actions to remember. Option A, pull off the road, stop the engine, use correct fire extinguisher. Option B, stop the engine, isolate battery, remove the load. Option C, pull off the road, notify emergency service, bring plenty of water. The correct answer is A, pull off the road, stop the engine, use correct fire extinguisher. Question 118. In case you are involved in a crash, what should be the first thing to do? Option A, prevent another crash from happening at the same spot. Option B, prevent other drivers from seeing you. Option C, ensure you have your license with you at that time. The correct answer is A. Prevent another crash from happening at the same spot. Question 119. When putting out the fire, it is important to aim the extinguisher, option A, directly at the engine of the vehicle. Option B, directly at the top of the flames. Option C, directly at the base of the fire. The correct answer is C, directly at the base of the fire. Question 120. If your vehicle is involved in a crash and somebody is hurt, it is, option A, allowed to move your vehicle. Option B, not allowed to move your vehicle. Option C, allowed that you move from the vehicle. The correct answer is B, not allowed to move your vehicle. Question 121. In a crash where there are injuries, why is it important to give your exact location? Option A, so emergency response can arrive without delay. Option B, so emergency response can be arranged. Option C, so emergency actions can be decided fast. The correct answer is A, so emergency response can arrive without delay. Question 122. If you are involved in a crash, you will be committing an offense if, option A, you do not clean the area immediately. Option B, you call the police immediately. Option C, you do not stop your vehicle. The correct answer is C, you do not stop your vehicle. Question 123. 2. Basic steps that must be taken in a crash scene. Option A, stop, look for cleaning tools. Option B, stop, protect the area. Option C, stop, look for shelter. The correct answer is B, stop, protect the area. Question 124. If your vehicle is involved in a crash and nobody is hurt, why should you try to move your vehicle? Option A, to allow the traffic to flow. Option B, to stop pedestrians from crossing. Option C, to allow time for rest. The correct answer is A, to allow the traffic to flow. Question 125. Bus drivers need to drive more smoothly compared to truck drivers because, option A, a busload is made up of people. Option B, it is required by the company. Option C, buses stop frequently. The correct answer is A, busload is made up of people. Question 126. Before starting the trip, bus driver must ensure that the option A seats are properly spaced. Option B, seats are secured and not moving. Option C, seats are free of any writings. The correct answer is B, as seats are secured and not moving. Question 127. Proper adjustments of the mirrors must be done, option A, before the trip ends. Option B, during the trip itself. Option C, before the start of the trip. The correct answer is C, before the start of the trip. Question 128. During the trip, why should public bus drivers be scanning the internal mirrors? Option A, to ensure all passengers are in no danger. Option B, to be able to tell who are getting off to the next stop. Option C, to be able to anticipate emergency. The correct answer is A. To ensure all passengers are in no danger. Question 129. Knowing that you have a long drive the next day, how would you prepare for this trip? Option A. Have plenty of water the night before. Option B. Have plenty of sleep the night before. Option C. Engage in sports activities the night before. The correct answer is B. Have plenty of sleep the night before. Question 130. When driving a heavy vehicle, one way to prevent tiredness is to, Option A. Take short breaks. Option B. Keep looking at scenery. Option C. Chat with some friends. The correct answer is A. Take short breaks. Question 131. When taking breaks on long drives, it is also helpful to, Option A. Eat heavy meals. Option B. Do some simple physical exercises, such as running on the spot. Option C. Take very hot coffee or tea. The correct answer is B. Do some simple physical exercises, such as running on the spot. Question 132. Touching your toes or knee bends are just some of the physical exercises you can do while, Option A. Taking a break from driving. Option B. Driving during the night. Option C. Stopping to take breaks. The correct answer is A. Taking a break from driving. Question 133. If you need to drive at night, you need to be extra careful because you can be tired easily. Why? Option A. Nighttime has less traffic. Option B. Daytime is more hectic. Option C. Nighttime is usually spent for sleeping. The correct answer is C. Nighttime is usually spent for sleeping. Question 134. While it is not the best time, driving at night cannot be avoided due to, Option A. Traffic restrictions during the day. Option B. Traffic congestions during the day. Option C. Some drivers prefer driving at night. The correct answer is A. Traffic restrictions during the day. Question 135. When making long drives, make sure not to drive for, Option A. Less than 10 hours in any 24-hour period. Option B. More than 10 hours in any 24-hour period. Option C. More than 10 hours in any 48-hour period. The correct answer is B. More than 10 hours in any 24-hour period. Question 136. What is the danger in driving on long, straight roads, especially at night? Option A. It can become boring and take your mind off the road. Option B. It can be very exciting and keep your focus. Option C. It helps you focus on the road. The correct answer is A. It can become boring and take your mind off the road. Question 137. Why is it important to be comfortable on the driver's seat, especially on long drives? Option A. In order not to get tired easily. Option B. So as to stay on schedule. Option C. In order to drive for more than 10 hours straight. The correct answer is A. In order not to get tired easily. Question 138. Sit with back and shoulders against the backrest and feet comfortably reaching the pedals in order to, Option A, adjust the seat closest to the steering. Option B, reach the destination soonest. Option C, stay comfortable especially while driving for longer hours. The correct answer is C, stay comfortable especially while driving for longer hours. Question 139. Opening windows for continuous supply of fresh air in the cabin is important for Option A, driving in the morning time. Option B, maintaining alertness and preventing tiredness. Option C, ensuring all-around safe space. The correct answer is B, maintaining alertness and preventing tiredness. Question 140. If you eat foods like fries, pasta, or pies during long drives, how will this affect your driving? Option A, enjoy your journey. Option B, get tired more quickly. Option C, help you to be more alert. The correct answer is B, get tired more quickly. Question 141. When driving while tired, the level of alertness is low. What is the danger in this situation? Option A. The road may be slippery. Option B, driver may perform some exercises. Option C, driver may fall asleep and cause fatal accidents. The correct answer is C, driver may fall asleep and cause fatal accidents. Question 142. What steps can you do to stay alert while on a long drive? Option A, get plenty of sleep, take breaks, and watch your food. Option B. Avoid alcohol, keep mind on the road and drive continuously. Option C, keep comfortable, stay cool and eat fries or pasta. The correct answer is A, get plenty of sleep, take breaks, and watch your food. Question 143. How can you make sure your foot can freely operate the brake pedals when driving? Option A, perform pre-drive checks outside the vehicle. Option B, clear the floor or cabin of any loose things. Option C, check the engine oil level. The correct answer is B, clear the floor or cabin of any loose things. Question 144. If your vehicle is parked on the side of the road, which should you approach the vehicle to be safe? Option A. From the rear so that your back is on the oncoming traffic. Option B, clear the traffic first then approach from the rear. Option C. From the front so that you are facing the oncoming traffic. The correct answer is C. From the front so that you are facing the oncoming traffic. Question 145. If you are leaving the cab of your truck, how should you climb out of it? Option A, facing the cab, then jump out of it. Option B, facing the cab, but watch out for oncoming traffic. Option C, climb out of the cab sideways. The correct answer is B, facing the cab, but watch out for oncoming traffic. Question 146. If you are trying to get inside the truck cabin, what should you remember if you need to step on the tire? Option A. The tire can be very slippery when wet. Option B. The tire is stable and safe to step on. Option C. Do not step on the tire for any reason. The correct answer is A. The tire can be very slippery when wet. Question 147. If you have to change wheels by the road, how can you safely position your vehicle? Option A. The vehicle should be facing the opposite direction. Option B. Move as far off the road as possible. Option C. Move to the hard shoulder. The correct answer is B. Move as far off the road as possible. Question 148. If there is a need to change wheels by the road, what precautions should be taken? Option A. Switch on headlights. Option B. Use the horn and reflective vest. Option C. Use hazards warning lights and warning triangles. The correct answer is C. Use hazards warning lights and warning triangles. Question 149. If lifting heavy objects, how do you do it properly? Option A. Back straight and knees straight. Option B. Back straight and knees bent. Option C. Knees bent, back bent. The correct answer is B. Back straight and knees bent. Question 150. Why is it important to conduct daily pre-trip inspections of your vehicle? Option A. Keeping the vehicle clean and tidy. Option B. Keeping your vehicle in good condition. Option C. Ensuring the lights are working properly. The correct answer is B. Keeping your vehicle in good condition. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your test.